Thank you for watching eShipper Weekly. Today we're going to learn how to schedule your first pickup. Now, if you didn't do it in the beginning when you went through the process and it gave you the option to, you can always go back and go to track shipment, and you can schedule your pickup at a later time as well. So here it says today's shipments or shipments within a specified period. I'm going to go to today's shipments because I did it for the previous video that I made. Click submit and you'll have the information from your shipment here. And if you click the little magnifying glass on the left, you'll see that there's various information you can also pull up about your shipment. Here we have it saying pickup scheduled, and it says no, so you can schedule a pickup by clicking on it. And then all your information is here to schedule the pickup. Now it's showing which carrier you're using, which is going to default for that shipment itself. You can choose your pickup location because it might vary, especially if your work is at your house right now. Put in your email if you want any information sent to you later, and your pickup date you can choose as well. Pickup time, they prefer a 3-hour window, so I'm just going to throw this in here. Number of packages. If you are sending numerous packages through one carrier, you can select this here instead of booking a pickup for every single package. Now your total weight would be for all those packages together for one single carrier. Every carrier you have to do your own pickup, and then you can hit request pickup. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to hit it just because it's not a real shipment that I'm sending, but I hope that helped you today. And thank you for watching eShipper Weekly. Tune in next week for a new video on instructions for eShipper.